called reciprocation. I move through the throb of his esophagus as he swallows me whole. He mutters, "Shutter door," into me. The phrase shivers up my spine. I trace his cowlicks with my fingernails while his beckon me closer. His chin is tattooed with ink that only stains the blanket draped over my figure. He climbs the ladder of my limbs, inching up to meet my gaze, and I kiss, a reflective fountain when our faces finally meet. I flip his shoulders and drag the words, "my pleasure," down everything that follows, until our eyes lock again from far away, and his music echoes from my lips. My mouth persists, and we both intermittently gasp for air. My eyes ravish every bit of skin. My tongue takes in his Venusian response.